Okay, today let's learn how to create paragraph style text object and customize them in Adobe Illustrator. So what you have to do is, with the type tool, if you just draw a text box, you can create a paragraph text object. If you are using latest version of Adobe Illustrator, you can see a dummy text by default. Then you can start to type your content, right? Anyway, let me undo the action to default mode. And guys, you can highlight to select a portion of the text, or you can tap Ctrl A to select all text inside the paragraph box. As well as you can use the character panel to change the font type, font style, font size, line space, character space, and all the other options in this character panel to customize the text as you learned in my last lesson. So follow the same steps. Okay, and if you highlight and select some text, then formatting will be applied to those selected text only. If you select entire paragraph with the selection tool, you can customize the entire para. Okay, and if you go to paragraph panel, you can use these alignment options like left align, center align, right align, justifications options, so on. As well as you can apply left indent from this option, right, or right indent from this option. So it's just like applying a margin to the paras. Okay, and to explain remaining options, first of all, let me break the text into couple of paragraphs. So I can increase the text box height from this handle. Also guys, you can use other handles to change the text box size. Okay, and let's break from this point and from this point, right? Okay, fine. Now I have few paragraphs in this text box. So every paragraph has a starting point. Okay, now if I increase the value of this option, I can just apply a indent for first line of every para in the text box. Let's say if I only want to apply an indent to this line, then I can highlight it and change the value. Got it? And there are two more options called space before paragraphs and space after paragraph. Let's say if I want to adjust the space between these first para and second para, right, then I can activate the cursor on the second para and use space before paragraph option to increase or decrease the space between those two paras. Or I can activate the cursor on first para and change values in space after paragraph option to increase or decrease the space between them. Got it? So always keep in mind, you must type negative values to decrease the space. And also in your PC, if you can't find these options, maybe it's like this, then you can go to more options menu and click show options. Then you can find these options. Okay, once you're done with the settings, remove the selection from the text box. Then you must reset the paragraph panel from more option menu before you do a new project. And also you can duplicate text boxes by dragging with Alt key, and also you can even change the color of the text from such as a color panel. Got it? So I think that is pretty much enough to beginners, and when we move to the intermediate lesson, we can learn more text formatting options. So that's all about in this lesson, and you can continue with my next lesson. Thank you.